With Square Appointments, you can create a personal event to block your booking availability and keep your calendar organized. You can create a personal event from your online dashboard or the Appointments app. To get started from the app, tap the plus symbol and select Create Personal Event. Enter the event details, including the title, date, time, and duration. Your booking availability will be blocked off during the scheduled personal event. Keep in mind, your customers won't be able to view any of your personal event details. To get started online, head to your calendar in your Appointments dashboard. Click and drag your cursor to select a block of time. Select Personal Event at the top of the screen. Enter the event details. To remove booking availability, ensure Block Time is toggled on. If you're blocking time for one of your staff, just select their name. And when you're all set, click Save. It's important to keep in mind, if the event was originally created in a synced personal calendar, all edits and updates must be added to the original calendar. To learn more, head to square.com/help and search keyword appointments.